Wash duck eggs under running water and then wipe them dry. Put water into a pot. Bring it to a boil. Lower the heat to medium. Add coarse sea salt and stir until the salt has dissolved. Remove from heat and leave to cool. I'm using this rose wine. Carefully take the eggs and roll them in rose wine. Put all the eggs into a dry glass container. Pour the remaining rose wine in the brine and then pour it into the glass container. Cover and put aside in a cool place for 21 to 28 days. After 21 to 28 days, take the eggs out and wipe them dry. Wrap one by one with cling wrap and store in the refrigerator. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.